Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Atlas Box and Atlas Earth. Getting Atlas Box and Atlas Earth is basically the core loop of the entire game, since everything you do eventually feeds back into earning or buying more of them. The most straightforward method is going directly to the in-game shop, where you can purchase Atlas Box in different bundles, typically starting from small packs like 100 and scaling up to larger ones like 900 or 2400, depending on how much you want to invest. There's also a small free option that gives you a minimal amount, but it's more of a bonus than a real farming method. Outside of direct purchases, you can earn Atlas bucks through several in-game systems like watching ads, participating in arcade-style partner offers, and completing surveys, which reward you if you qualify and finish them successfully. Events are another source where limited time challenges can guarantee free Atlas bucks if you participate while they're active. Some users also gain extra rewards through TAVO related promotions or the Atlas travel system, plus daily login streak bonuses if you're consistent enough to keep returning. And if you're in the Explorers Club, those daily rewards can scale up even more. So overall, Atlas bucks come from a mix of paying, grinding, and staying active, with patience usually doing most of the heavy lifting either way. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.